This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sharon Palmer. 1.2-acre lot with lake access. Lot number 209 on Crystal Cove subdivision map. See map at property owner's website at ccpoa.housebase.com. Lake access to beautiful Watts Bar Lake, short distance to community area on lake. Front of lot is level, rest is rolling. Suitable for a walkout basement. All paved roads with utilities at lot line. City water and sewer. Low POA fees of $75 per year. Covered and open picnic areas with grilling stands. Community boat docks available. Peaceful but only 15 minutes to school and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Palmer at 86